Let us discuss about structure of tree. Tree is having a macro structure and a micro structure. Macro structure means it is visible by naked eye or with small magnification. We need high magnification or we need other microscope in order to view the microstructure of the tree. See, tree is having three portion. This portion, that is the root portion, and above that we have a trunk portion, and above that there is a crown portion. Leaves are mostly present in this crown portion. So actually the root function is to transmit nutrients from the soil portion to the crown portion through the trunk. So roots absorb moisture from the soil and nutrients from the soil, and it transmit these through the trunk to the crown portion. So we are mostly concerned about the trunk. We get most of our timber from this trunk portion. So we'll have to discuss about the macro structure of this trunk portion. So we will draw first section of this trunk portion. This is the cross section of the trunk portion. The innermost portion is called the pith. The innermost, this portion, this is called the pith. So first one, pith. Pith is the innermost portion. Innermost portion, that is called the pith. Then after that we have a region called heartwood. Heartwood is actually dead cells. Heartwood is actually dead cells. And what is the importance of this heartwood? It is it is dead cell, but it will provide rigidity and durability. It will provide rigidity, strength and durability. Strength and durability to timber. So hardwood, actually that is the dead portion, and it does not take part in any growth of the tree. It actually provides rigidity, strength and durability to timber. So hardwood is very important in the case of timber. Then we will have a next portion, sapwood. Hardwood is comparatively darker region, and sapwood is soft. This is lighter region. This is hardwood is darker region. So sapwood, it is otherwise known as alburnum. That is a lighter region, and it will take part in the growth mechanism. Take part in growth mechanism. So this sapwood, in this sapwood growth is happening. Then we will have next section, cambium. See, this is the last one, this layer here, this one, this is called cambium. So what is cambium? Cambium is containing sap, and it is going to be a part of sapwood later on. It is an undeveloped version of sapwood. It is going to be part of sapwood. See, now we are here by discussing exogenous trees. So what is the peculiarity of exogenous trees? They contain annular rings. Annular rings decide the age of the tree. As annular rings increases, the age of the tree or years of tree that increases. So there are many annular rings. See, 1, 2, 3, like that. There are many annular rings present here like this. So this annular rings, this has to be connected in order to that it occurs in its own position. So this connector, that is called medullary rays. Medullary rays. So we will see medullary rays here. Starting from the pith, it is connecting the annular rings till the cambium region. So that is what it means by medullary rays. It is a connector of annular rings. Annular rings are both there in hardwood and softwood region. Annular rings are specifically distinct in hardwood region, and it is lighter and undistinct in sapwood region. So the medullary rays connect these regions. That is regarding medullary rays. And we have bark region. We have an inner bark region and outer bark region. Inner bark region that actually protects the cambium layer, and the outer bark region, it contains cells of wood fibers, and they can can contain cracks and fissures. These all this region, outer bark region, also act as a protector for inner regions. This much is regarding the structure of macro structure of tree, and that is exogenous tree. See, this section is very important because always questions are asked based on this. Cambium is between which regions, and sapwood is between which regions, like that always questions are asked. So this is very important. Okay, always do study this portion in timber. So I hope you like this video, and this is very simple one. I hope you will study this portion, and if you like this video, do like, subscribe and share.